Works pretty good. Nice curve tracer. Lots of functions. Pretty nice. Looks good. That's a good deal on it. Looks actually really good. Pretty interesting. There's just a tester. Wide range oscillator, old style. Vacuum tube voltmeter. Pretty cool. Let's see how everything works. Works good, that one works good. This one works pretty nice also, with some lights in there. Looks nice. Nice Simpson, works really good. An AC power supply for testing circuits. Cleveland Institute of Technology, or in school there. Pretty cool. One of the books. And our new project. Well, we built this a while ago. An octopus for checking curves. Well, components actually. Tracer. This is the new one that we have. The new vacuum tube voltmeter we picked up. This one's hurting. Don't look too bad, but upon further inspection, it's hard to tell when you buy them on eBay. But somebody repaired the side. I'll have to do something with that. Somebody glued the bottom. I'll have to clean up all that stuff. Overall, it's not too bad. The meter seems pretty good. Now, the circuit board. This is hurting. It is busted in several places. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but inside here, it's cracked right across. There's a couple right here. It's hard to tell. Looking through the camera. Right here, it's cracked across. We're going to have to make a new circuit board. The end's all busted. We're going to have to take this one all apart so we can repair it. Replace some capacitors. See what's going on with all the resistors, the switches. Disconnect the cord from the box. The box doesn't look too bad. A little dirty. Not bad. Was inspected back in assembly. That's an old one. Overall, it doesn't look too bad. Have to pull the cord out so we can repair it. But we're going to have to take the cell apart. And we're going to have to see how it goes from there. Need to replace a lot of pieces. Gotta check the transformers out, make sure we're getting the right voltages and everything. We'll be updating this as we go. Right now this is just an introduction video. If anybody's interested, check it out. Thank you. Hopefully you'll watch down the road. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.